Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Dodge Charger, and if you need to find the relay for the radiator fan, the cooling fan, we will explain where the relay is located. You actually may have up to three relays. Make sure to stand till the end, and we will explain how to test the relay. And if your radiator fan still does not work, we'll explain what else could be causing that. So we'll share super helpful information that can practically guys save you quite a bit of money and time. So make sure to stand till the end. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix practically almost anything guys. Engines, transmissions, we take them completely apart. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. And Dodge Charger, we'll be taking it completely apart. Not to say a big word, but probably we'll have close to 500 free repair videos. If you need to buy any parts, tools, relays, fuses, anything for a good price, quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below, and you can save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. Now, what do we have here? 3.6 Dodge Charger guys. This is the fuse box. Even if you have a different engine, the procedure will be about the same. That fuse box right here, you will have one notch here, one there. What we have to do, squish towards each other, pull up, flip it on this side, and you will have guys the fuse numbers and relays printed here. Now, the first one that we need to find, okay, to check guys, will be relay, number 47. We're talking about that relay here. The second, check this thing out, 1, 2, 3. Third relay from top to bottom on the very right side, that's the relay, one of the relays for the radiator fan. You have two more, so we'll talk about that. If you need to buy replacement relays, we'll put the link in the description of the video below, or just keep some spare ones in the glove box. This is a great idea as well guys. Something else, if you need to test a relay and see how to do that, we'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to do that in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can find out how to do that. Now you will guys have actually two more relays that you will need to check, and this one will be relay number 57. Some vehicles will have that, some vehicles will not. It really depends guys, but if you have it, relay 57 will be that relay right here. Okay, the 6.2 engine will not have that relay guys, and after that you will have one more relay which is known as 58, this one here. So this and this is for the radiator fan. Now if you guys replaced relays, tested them, everything's fine, your radiator cooling fan still doesn't work, we have a special video guys that explains why radiator fan does not work on that charger, and it will teach you what to look for, what to expect, and how to fix that problem. So check it out. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.